everyone and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for all things tech and productivity. Today we're diving into a highly requested tutorial how to export all your notes from Evernote. Whether you're looking to back up your data, migrate to a different platform, or simply want to ensure you have a local copy of your notes, this tutorial has got you covered. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you've got Evernote open on your computer. Currently, the easiest way to export all your notes is through the desktop app for Windows. Step 1 is pretty straightforward. Open Evernote and make sure you're logged in into your account. For step 2, navigate to the notes section. Here, you'll see a list of all your notes. If you want to export everything, you can simply go to edit in the menu bar and then select all, or you can click on Ctrl plus and the selected notes that you want to export. Then you can see the taskbar on the below. There you can move, delete and export. After selecting your preferred format, choose where you want to save the file on your computer and then click save. And just like that, your notes are exported. And there you have it. You've successfully exported all notes from Evernote. It's a simple process, but it's crucial for managing your digital data effectively.